Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a project and choosing the right instrument for your idea. Set tempo, key, and time signature so edits align later. Once done, add tracks with the plus button and pick input sources. Make sure the metronome is on for timing and enable monitoring to hear input. If you use an external mic or interface, select it now. This early precision saves editing time and keeps takes consistent, so you capture usable material from the first pass. You record full takes, then refine by using replace or overdub and punch-in for problem spots. This keeps momentum without redoing everything. Once you have clips, move to track view to split, loop, and quantize regions for timing. Use fades to remove clicks. Layer additional instrument tracks and adjust arrangement order to build energy. Use automation for volume and pan moves so mixes breathe. Rename and color code tracks to stay organized, and you finish by balancing levels, applying EQ, compression, and reverb to clarify each part. Make small gain adjustments, and use the master limiter sparingly to avoid clipping. Once satisfied, bounce the project by exporting the song to files and choose WAV or MP3 with desired quality. If playback or recording fails, first check input latency and sample rate, close background apps, and ensure iOS permissions are set. If needed, restart GarageBand or reconnect your interface to resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.